Watch his left side.
Okay, keep him moving straight ahead. Easy now.
Move on there. Keep him moving. Come on, move. Watch your step there. Easy now.
That one there, tag him for secondary inspection.
Understood. I'll flag the system now.
Ándale, vamos. Cierre la puerta, rápido.
Let's go, let's move it. Watch your spacing back there.
Get on, let's go. Move it, move it. Move it, move it. Keep moving.
All right, move on through. Easy now.
Keep moving now. Up, up, get along. Push him up, let's go.
Get on now. The lead bull is maintaining a steady pace, consistent with the others.
Good. The water seems to be helping his joints.
Keep moving forward.
Watch the side, bring him in slowly.
Sensor array is fully deployed.
Neural activity stabilizing. All parameters are green.
Ready. Pull. Keep it coming.
Okay, clamp it down now. We did it.
The grain looks good, but I'm seeing some weakness right at this edge.
Yeah.
Tension is slightly off. We need to adjust the clamps before it sets.
Check the grain right here. It looks stressed.
Yes, I see it. Adjusting the clamps.
Look at the grain consistency here. Here. That meets the premium standard.
The texture here is perfect.
Yeah, agreed. But look at this section, it's uneven.
Yeah. Okay, I'll make a note.
Look at this grain here, it's uneven. We can't send this out.
I see it. It must be from the drying process. Apply consistent pressure like this. Keep the blade flat against the hide. You're doing well.
See how the grain tightens right here? It's almost imperceptible.
I see it.
Yeah.
Let's isolate this area just in case.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Easy now. Clear on this side.
How's that measurement looking?
Right on the line, ready to cut.
Bring the next one over here. Check the center, Ravi. Looks good to me.
Agreed. Flawless hide.
All right, pull it tight. We need exactly 20 meters here.
Got it, looks good.
this one is clean, move it to the right. Okay, I have 3 more large ones here.
This one has a scratch right here.
Yeah, that won't pass inspection.
I'll move it to the reject bin.
See how clean that edge is? That's top quality work right there. Absolutely flawless. We can ship this one out today.
Look at the shine on this one. That's perfect for the display pile. Move it carefully.
Okay, nice and easy now. Watch the edge. Got it. Clear on your side.
I think we finally got it just right.
Oh, it's absolutely stunning, isn't it?
I think we finally got it just right.
Oh, it's absolutely stunning, isn't it?